Good everyone, you're watching Creative Fixes. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to remove widgets from your Windows machine. Now, if you hover your mouse across these icons, you might see some widgets appearing on your screen. If you want to uninstall them, there is a command which you need to execute to uninstall the widgets completely from the computer. To uninstall the widget, all you need to do is you'll have to open command prompt. So you can go to the search window, and in the search window, you can go ahead and type CMD or command prompt. You will see the best match for the command prompt. You can do a right click on the command prompt and then click on run as administrator. In case if you get a user access control prompt, you may click on yes or continue on the screen. Once you have the command prompt open, all you have to do is you will have to copy the command from the video description and paste it here. You can do a right click on the window pane and then click on edit and then click on paste, or you can use the shortcut Control V to paste the command. Once you have this command, you will have to go ahead and hit enter. This is how the screen would appear when the widget is being uninstalled from the computer. You will have to give a bit. Once it has been completely uninstalled, your Windows Web Experience pack will be completely removed from the computer. Once this is done, you may close this window and you would still see the icons here. Once you restart the icon, you would not see the Windows widget icon appearing on your taskbar. So this is how you can go ahead and uninstall or completely remove widgets from your Windows machine. I hope this video was useful. In case if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a great day.